Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube video. Today I'll be making a video and we're gonna be playing Rainbow Friends. If you didn't see my other video, then I played Rainbow Friends Chapter 1. Now I'm playing Chapter 2 and I'm gonna be finishing both chapters. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and let's get right into it. Okay guys, well, so basically this game's about finding stuff but not getting caught by the monsters. So basically you're not supposed to get caught by the monsters. So if you're getting caught by the monsters, then that's bad. Because then you have to at least waste gems. Or you at least have to, or you just give up and retry it. But you have to retry. So like let's say you at the very end and you lose and you have no gems. You have to restart all the way to the back. So yeah, that's basically what the game's about. And you can play chapter 1. Chapter 2 is a bit harder. It's not that hard though, once you get to know it a bit. But it's not that hard when you get to know it. So yeah, once you get to know it, then it's not that hard. So guys, you can play chapter 1. Chapter 1's not that hard. Your brain won't hurt and stuff like that. Your brain won't be so bad and stuff. Your brain would just not feel tired. It'll just be a fun game. But this is a bit trickier because especially when you're playing on computer, it's harder. As you guys can see, I'm being very careful. And now guys, you can hide in a box. You can crouch like this. Hide in a box like this. So guys, yeah, just in case you need to know, I have nothing. We only need one more. I think it's all the way in Orange's base because I looked at it out. So you can just slide on the green's arms like this. If you don't know, you can just slide on. Nope. Now green does come in, so you have to be careful. And by the way, green is blind. Blue is like normal, he can run when he sees you. He doesn't run fast, but you can outrun him. And then green is blind, so he can hear you, but he can't see you. So that means, yeah. And as you guys can see, there's no light bulbs. Nothing can spawn in the wheel. I promise you guys, you don't have to waste your time doing this. Nothing can spawn in the wheel. I promise you guys, nothing. I'm sorry about this. It's just because I haven't signed up in iCloud. I don't know why I just downloaded it. As you guys can see, my teammates actually did put the last light bulb in. Someone's not voting because we already seen this, but I think they're not gonna vote because they want to see this. I think they're new to the game or something like that, or maybe they don't know how to skip or something like that. So I think, yeah, I think we can. So you guys can see it. If you guys never played it, then you can see it on my video, or you can see it on anyone else's. It's your choice. You guys can know if you want to see it on other people's video and you don't like this video, then you can go to another people's video.
Okay, we tried it.
And this is yellow right here. If you guys don't know, he can fly, but once you get caught by him, you don't like die. You rather get picked up by him. So like, I will show you guys for example. I'll get caught by him right now.
Because I actually don't even get what my mom.
Lots of people died actually. I'm going to yellow.
I don't know what
I can't get caught by blue.
Okay, so get past it.
Now I have to go.
Oh, okay. So do I just put it in like that and it will come through to my email?
Now if you guys can see it, look. Yellow is carrying someone.
Okay. I should. Yes. I'll be able to. Yeah. Would you be able to tell me what number outside?
Even when you're hiding in a box, you can get still caught by green, guys. I have enough. Oh wait, I don't. I gotta restart. Wait, I forgot now. I gotta oh no, no, no. Alright guys, I remember I said if I die then I have to do whatever you guys say. So comment down below whatever you want me to do, and yeah, peace. And yeah guys, have a good day and